Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about the Kit Kat Club. So let's get started. The Kit Kat Club was a social and literary club founded in London in the late 17th century. The Kit Kat Club was a gathering spot for influential writers, politicians, and artists who shared similar political beliefs, specifically supporting the Whig Party. Now you would want to know who were the Whigs, so I'll tell you. The Whigs and Tories, they were the two main political groups in England starting in the late 1600s with very different views. The Whigs supported limiting the power of the monarchy and they believed in Parliament's rights and powers. The Whigs valued personal freedom and tolerance. On the other hand, we have the Tories. The Tories supported a strong monarchy and they were very traditional. They believed in the authority of the king and the Church of England. The Tories preferred maintaining old ways and traditions. In short, we can say that Whigs leaned towards change, freedom, and Parliament's power, while Tories valued the tradition, the monarchy, and the stability. Now I'll tell you about the origin of the name Kit Kat. The name Kit Kat is taken from a pie shop owner whose name was Christopher Cat. His pie shop was frequented by the members of this club, hence we have the name Kit Kat. Now I'll tell you who were the members of the Kit Kat Club. The Kit Kat Club included some of the most prominent figures of the time such as Joseph Edison. He was a famous writer and politician known for co-founding the Spectator magazine. Then we have Richard Steele. He was Edison's close friend and co-founder of the magazine The Spectator. Then we have Alexander Pope. He was a poet famous for works like The Rape of the Lock and The Dunciad. Then we have Sir Godfrey Kneller. He was a painter known for his portraits of the club members. These are some of the names. Some other names would be William Congreve, John Locke, Sir John Vanbrugh, and Sir Robert Walpole. I am repeating the names once again. We have Joseph Edison, Richard Steele, Alexander Pope, Sir Godfrey Kneller, William Congreve, John Locke, Sir John Vanbrugh, and Sir Robert Walpole. There are many other names, but the ones that I've told you, these are important, so keep them in mind. So that's it for this video. I'll be coming up with more literary movements video. Stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching.